Hi guys, welcome back to Spot That Deal. Today we're bringing you a very innovative product. Very innovative. This product won the Guinness Book of Records stroller that can fold down to the most compact size in the world. 11.8 inches by 7 inches by 13.8 inches with a weight of 9.5 pounds. Guys, this is amazing. I'm telling you, it's also not a flimsy stroller. It's made of durable materials. It can hold a child from 6 months up to 55 pounds, as well as 11 pounds of gear in its convenient storage basket. So if you're a traveler and you want to travel light and you have a child or toddler, this stroller is for you. We're going to quickly check out the promo video. See how quickly the stroller folds down to a compact size and how quickly you can fold it back up again to the original size. So take a look at the promo video. We'll be back now. Okay, so that was honestly amazing. I think if you really want a stroller, don't even go and look for anything else. I mean, as a parent myself, I know how it is with strollers. You know, you get this bulky, big strollers, difficult to fit into your car or wherever you have to fit it in, and any traveling thing is out because the stroller is too big. So go out, get the stroller. It's honestly a very convenient stroller. You get it in 3 different colors. You get it in the blue, the green, and the black. Currently $179.95. You can get an extra $3.58 off coupon. Got a 4.5 star rating, 750 customer reviews. It's made by GB, and they really are known for innovative strollers, guys. So go out, go and get the stroller. Click on the promo link, you'll get that discount, and please subscribe to this channel. We really need your support. But honestly, go and get the stroller. You won't be disappointed. You won't be disappointed. I mean, this thing almost are getting a 5-star rating. This means that out of the thousands of people that bought the stroller, we almost have a 5-star rating on the stroller. So go and get it. Please press the bell button for notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. See you guys. Cheers.